Stop by and take a look at the 2021 Palisade. The Hyundai Palisade includes loads of interior room, third-row seating, and a stylish exterior. Throw in all the additional technology features and your family will be thrilled to ride around in style, and is priced below $55,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, wheel locks, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, power moonroof, rain sensing wipers, four-wheel disc brakes. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.